Good morning, everyone. Our today's topic of chapter 3 is muscles. Our bones of the body cannot move on their own. The first line says, we cannot move our body only because of bone. They are moving because these bones are attached to the muscles. Okay, here is the second line written. You can move your body because it is attached to the muscles. Okay, in human body there are about 600 different kinds of muscles. How many? 600. Okay, most of them are attached to the bones. Out of these 600, many of them are attached to the bones. And how they are attached? They are attached because of a strong muscular fiber. We call it as a tendon. Okay, just remember what we have learned in the beginning. We have learned that when two bones are meeting together, they are meeting together because of a strong fiber called ligament. है ना, we have learned about when bone and bone are connecting, they are connecting because of ligament. And here we are learning the muscles are connected to the bones because of tendon. Okay, everyone, so our bones are attached to the muscles because of tendon. Okay, so now we will learn about the types of muscles. Muscles are categorized or divided into two types based on their activity. How the activity they are doing, okay, in which organ they are present, what kind of activity performed by them. Accordingly, we will classify the muscle into two types. The first is voluntary muscles. Let me mark. The first one is voluntary muscles. Now these are those muscles which work under our control. Means we can control these muscle fiber. Okay, they are attached to the bone and we can control over that bone. Okay, because our these muscle fiber are attached and we have a control over them. So that's why we call it as a voluntary muscles. So what kind of muscle you can control? You can control your leg. You can control the muscles of your hand. For example, if you want to hold any weight, then only your muscle fiber will work, otherwise they will not start moving by themselves. It means what? It means you can control your muscles. If you want to move, then only you can move your body, otherwise they will not move by themselves. So this all things says that such activity which we can control are come under because of voluntary muscle fiber. Okay, beta. So we can control muscles of our arm and legs while running, walking, jumping and swimming, and hence the name is given voluntary muscles because these are under our control. Okay, class. Now second one is involuntary muscles. So this is something opposite to the voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are those muscles which do not work under our control. So they are independently doing their work. Where are these kind of muscle present in our body? Just think about the stomach of your body. Is it under your control? No. For example, when you eat something and then you order your stomach to digest the food. No. The food in the stomach is automatically digested by the muscles present in it. They are not under our control. We are not guiding that muscle to now start digestion and now stop digestion. They are doing their job their own, means we cannot control them. So such muscles which are not under our control are known as involuntary muscles. Okay, class, they are known as involuntary muscles. So here one example is also given. Our stomach, our heart are showing the presence of involuntary muscles. So types of muscle clear? Now we will learn how these muscles are made up of. muscles are made up of muscle fiber. They are made up of muscle fiber. They are of three types. Now muscle fiber are of three types. Okay, type of muscle 2, muscle fiber 3. muscle fiber जिसके muscles बने होते हैं, तो they are of 3 type of muscle fiber. तो based on that, let us discuss them. The first one is striated muscle fiber. Now this is the picture of striated muscle fiber. Look at the picture. All voluntary muscle, where they are found striated muscles? They are found in voluntary muscles, means which are under our control. Which organs are under our control? Our legs, our arms, है ना? These are under our control. So you can obviously found these muscles in the area that is in your hand or leg. Okay. So voluntary muscles are attached to the bone. These muscles are attached to the bone that made up of striated muscle fiber. So there the muscles are striated muscle fiber. So they have dark band running across the muscle. Now look at the dark band. These small bands are there. There are many dark bands over them. So this is their feature. Okay. So this is their feature. They are having many dark bands. Okay. And found in the voluntary muscles. And because they are found in the voluntary muscles, our hands, in our legs, that's why they are also categorized, named by the other name named as skeletal muscle. Okay, striated muscle are also known as striated muscle fiber are also known as skeletal muscle. Okay, now the next one is smooth muscle fiber. Now look at the smooth muscle fiber. They are so smooth. They are long but narrow towards the end. Means what? They are long but look at the ends. They are not as broad as the striated muscle. They are narrow. Okay. These muscles are narrow. So here it is also written most involuntary muscles are having smooth muscles. Now अभी इनका location पता चल गया. They are found in they are the part of involuntary muscles. Okay, and they are long, narrow at the ends. These muscles do not have bands. Now look at the banding structure of these muscles. They are very less and they have many. So this is the difference. These muscles do not have bands. For example, organ of our respiratory, circulatory are lined with which type of muscle fiber? They are lined by smooth muscle fiber. Okay. So smooth muscle fiber can work for a long time without getting tired. And the third type of muscle fiber given here is cardiac muscle fiber. Cardiac muscle fiber are looking like this. The heart is made up of cardiac muscle fiber. Now these are something just related to the heart. Okay, cardiac muscle fiber are related to heart. So our heart muscles are made up of cardiac muscle fiber. They have band similar to this one. Okay, just look at the structure. They are just similar to this one. Like striated muscle, they work quickly and powerfully. So these muscles are like smooth muscle. They work like smooth muscle fiber and look like striated muscle fiber. Okay. So they do not work under our control. Okay, smooth muscle fiber are also not under our control. Same way cardiac muscle fiber are also not under our control. Cardiac muscles, हमारे heart muscles जो हैं, they are also not under our control. Our heartbeat continuously beating throughout the life. Okay, we cannot control. So cardiac muscle fiber work whole life continuously without getting tired. So that's why our heart is working day and night. Okay. Let's move to the other topic. How muscle work. Now this is the how muscle work. Our body moves because of action of muscles. Okay, because our body is covered, our whole skeletal is covered with the muscles. Okay, our whole skeletal part is covered with the muscles, so this only help us to move, है ना? Because of this only we can move. And muscles are made up of muscle cells. Muscle cells are the unique cells in our body, because they are the only cell which can contract, means can make their size short, and can relax, means make their size long. And because of this nature, this muscle works in pair. Okay, so this, because of this contraction and relaxation, muscle work in pair. Here it is also written, the muscles works in pair, and because of this cause the movement. Okay, we can keep our muscles strong. How can we keep our muscles strong? We can keep it by doing exercise regularly and eating a balanced diet. Okay, so you all can keep your muscles strong by taking a good diet and doing exercise. Okay, class, this is all for today. You read your chapter. By this topic we have completed the chapter. Tomorrow we will do checkpoints. Okay everyone, so this is all for today. Have a nice day.